Hellcat.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Sweaty Potato Meyer RC channel. Today guys, we're going to be doing the testing between the stock 36cc engine that came in the FT when I bought it, and then we're also going to take a look at some footage with the TMR engine, TMR performance engine in it, and see the difference of how each engine performs in the exact same machine. If you'll notice, I did put the wheelie bar back on for the TMR engine, and you're going to understand why, because there's quite a difference. I don't know, you guys tell me. So let's get at the footage and see what we got. All right guys, we're back here with the FT symmetrical steering setup and the stock 36 that came in it. We're going to get some footage of this, and then I'm going to pull this engine out and I'm going to stick the TMR performance engine in it and see how it performs. We'll compare the two. Oh, by the way, guys, this is 1955 gears. I'm really loving that symmetrical steering. Yeah, usually it's riding a wheelie off that. I think the reason why I keep flipping it so much is because the steering's so good. That's exactly why I'm flipping it. Okay, so we'll do a normal dig like we would with the TMR. And that's on the way back. I can definitely tell it's down on power. I'm really loving the symmetrical steering, man. The thing's steering like a 10th scale. Still fun with this stock 36, especially if I had the the stock gears in it and everything. And guys, that's why I put these 1955s in, because this thing will pull wheelies with the 1955s at the stock engine. So I wanted to put in something that we could definitely have a comparison with, and I'm definitely getting it out of this. I can definitely see where that TMR power is coming in. I got something going on with that back tire. I'm loving the way it steers though. It's awesome. All right, guys, I'm gonna put it up. Okay guys, we're back here with the FT, and I put the TMR engine back in it to get footage of it, you know, and so we can compare the two. But what I was trying to say, you know, in the run footage earlier with the stock engine is the reason I used 1955 gears is because both of them with the stock 1757s, they just both blow off the tires. You can't really tell much of a difference just because of the gearing, but you are going to see, I think, quite a bit of difference in this, guys. So let's take a look at it and see what you guys think. All right, guys, let's see how she goes. Huge difference. Whew, almost hit that tree. Almost had the wheels up. Okay, let's do a dig. There we go. See, there's a huge difference. Woo! Gonna have to run myself over. Okay. Because you guys got to remember, this engine just came out of the Rampage with the Jet Pro pipe, so I had to lean it out quite a bit with that Jet Pro pipe for some reason. No, I had it at a sweet spot. Okay. We'll go back. sliding on my forehead. Oh. See, it won't do that with the stock engine. Got more wheels up. I'm gonna share the air density, guys, because I got an app. I'm gonna talk more about that later. All right, guys, let's go back to the shop. Like I say, guys, that was one of the reasons why I use these 1955 gears, and Jeff from Eastside suggested that I used 1856s because that's in between, you know, the gear, you know, the stock gear ratio and the gear ratio, the speed gear ratio that's in it right now. But I didn't have the money to spend on another gear set at that time, so I threw in the 1955s. And like I was saying, with the 1757s, you know, both machines, they'll pop wheelies and they'll blow the back tires off, especially the TMR performance one. But you know, that's why I, you know, was going with the 1955s and everything. And then I was also going to talk about the air density. I was able to get an application about the air density, you know, to calculate air density, and today it wasn't bad, and I'm going to share the air density for both machines and both days when, you know, I had them out, and it's relatively the same, you know. So, no, it calculates, you know, your SAE rated horsepower. Like, it'll tell you, you know, depending on the temperature, what you're going to see for actually, you know, rated horsepower, whether it be, you know, like 97%, 96%, or, you know, the hotter it gets, the lower the barometric pressure and all that stuff, the less horsepower you're going to make. So, I think in both of these runs, they were both running 96, 97%, which I thought, you know, and you can definitely, with this hot weather, you can definitely tell that, you know, the 3%, 2%, 3% loss. You can definitely tell it. They just don't run quite the same, you know. But I'm really glad that I got that air density application, and I got it from the Apple store. I think it's air density and altitude meter is what it's called. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you like what you see and you haven't subscribed yet, you should probably do that, guys, because this is what I do. And by the subscribe button, there's a bell notification. Select that, select all. You get every upload I do. And if there's something on your mind, make sure you leave a comment in the comments section. We'll see you guys in the next one.